Welcome to Shelly Creates It. Today we're going to be making this gaming sticker, and I'm going to show you how to layer several layers of vinyl. The vinyl I'm using today is Oracal 651. It's a 2.5 milliliter gloss. You can use it indoor and outdoor on laptops, your car windows, tumblers, cups, mailboxes, and more. I ran this through my Silhouette Cameo using the settings on this screen. The first step in creating your vinyl sticker is to weed the excess negative space around your design. You want your design to be left on the backing paper of your vinyl sheet, and you want to discard any of the extra negative space that you will not be needing. You need to be careful not to pull off any of your design. There might be a few pieces that you'll have to follow up with an X-Acto knife to be able to pull the negative space off. Then I follow up with the letters and make sure all the letters have been weeded and the extra pieces have been taken off carefully using this hook tool. Next, I use my advanced tape glider and just put a little spot on my cutting mat to keep my piece flat and to keep it from moving while I'm working on an intricate design. Next, I pick up the pieces I want to layer. I place a piece of contact paper on top. I just get it from the Dollar Tree. Then I rub my finger, or I use an old credit card, and pick up the piece onto the transfer paper and place it onto my design. I continue this process until all of the pieces of my design have been transferred from the vinyl backing paper to my design using this contact paper. As you can see, this design has a lot of geometric shapes, so I took my time and placed them carefully. It is more difficult to pull up a design after you've placed it on top of your vinyl. I've had difficulty pulling vinyl from vinyl, so try to get it right on the first shot. You can pull it up if you needed to with a flat tool or a razor. You might end up with a bubble or two.